So Grayscale, so it says today, it was actually yesterday, the SEC denied our application to convert GBTC to a spot Bitcoin ETF. So there's no spot Bitcoin ETF currently in the USA. It keeps being denied by the SEC. Okay, and now Grayscale have had enough, and they're basically going to go to the high courts. So a spot ETF means that they would have to buy. They would have to buy. In fact, that's what a spot ETF means. I don't know why I got rid of that screen. So BTC is currently at 19,036. Okay. So in other words, they'd have to buy it here. You know, you'd have to buy it here. They'd put in thing and put in a buy order, buy it on the spot. Okay. Not on the OTC market. So, and that's what they want to do. Buying a spot Bitcoins means the price will go up when they buy Bitcoins. Okay. So we fervently disagree with the SEC's decision. We're disappointed. We are prepared. We've spent months preparing for all scenarios. No realistic outcome would have been a surprise. We remain committed to working proactively with regulators, but now we will turn our attention to working with the judicial branch. Our team has filed a petition for review with the DC Circuit Court of Appeals. This document officially initiates a lawsuit contesting the SEC's decision. Okay. So we're sure you have questions. We invite you to visit our website where we've compiled additional information for investors. Okay, because obviously investors are putting money into Grayscale. They're not buying Bitcoin themselves. So please know that GBTC continues to trade via OTC markets, so over-the-counter markets. We will continue to provide information updates throughout the litigation process. Okay, so that means they are effectively going after the SEC. They don't like their decision, and they're taking it to court. They've had enough because they feel that the SEC is going to continuously deny them a Bitcoin ETF. Okay. Now, this is going to run and run, isn't it? It's not going to be over in 5 minutes, that's for sure. If you look about the XRP case, that's been going on. Has it been going on for a year now? The XRP case was set. Well, this is going to take ages as well, I should imagine. The one good thing about this is that if the SEC are going to be so caught up in this litigation process with GBTC and also the process that's going with XRP, they won't be able to look into anything else, okay? Because they're going to be so concentrated on those two things, they're not going to be able to look at other coins, okay? So it will sort of deflect from anything else. So if you're worried about maybe ADA getting looked into or something like that, I don't think the SEC are going to have time to deal with XRP and GBTC at the same time we're talking about. So they're not going to start opening up another lawsuit against any other coins and say that they're not securities or they are securities or whatever. So I think that's good news. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe this. I don't think the SEC are just going to cave in. By the way, I don't think they're going to just cave in and say, "Oh, you know what? You're threatening us with law. We can't be dealing with this. We're just going to cave in and let you have one." That's not going to happen. Just not going to happen. So we'll see what happens in this space.